Hi. What I learned from the last Zoom meeting with Sunlife is to celebrate small wins. That's why I always celebrate small wins every single day from the time that I recovered from COVID pneumonia 2 weeks ago. So what I did is that I was looking for a part-time job. So I will show you the video later. I did exercise. I do sunbathing, stretching with the swimming pool. I'm gonna show it to you later. And I do cook meals. I cook my own meals, and I do boxing. And I did the exercise here inside the condominium unit. And aside from that, I recorded some of my negotiating skill. And most of all, I watch the gospel of the Lord and read the Bible and follow everything with the Lord because this is already my second life. So that's actually a small win. All right, my small win. So I'll show you some of the video of my small wins. Thank you. George, my name is Jason Biadog, and I was referred by Edgar Benaventura, and I was looking for a home-based work. And right now, I'm a COVID survivor. I already survived COVID. I've been in the hospital for 10 days, and since I was discharged, this is already my 2 weeks, second week. So I work in a call center for the past 15 years. So I used to sell websites and SEO, and together with Edgar, Edgar was my former agent. I was a team leader. We're selling super yellow pages, superpages.com in the United States market. And also, we sell office supplies in McKinley Hill, and several call center we've been together for at least maybe 7 years. And we've been also an account manager of G3 Telecom in Canada, Canadian market. We sell telcos. And right now, as a COVID survivor, I I am I don't want to work anymore in an office because I'm very vulnerable to COVID. That's why I have a very fast internet here at my condominium unit. I rented a condo which is just near my house, just to be alone and with one CR. And my internet speed here is 30 Mbps. So I used to do selling outbound, and I'm also good in management, and I've been a blogger for more than 10 years already. So I write the personal stuff at jasonbiadog.net. So I write sports, business, anything. I also wrote there my experience in COVID. And I can work as lead generation or whatever you want me to do as a call center agent or something. I can sell anything or do some technical support because I've been a technical support for Concentrix Converges for AT&T DirecTV. So I used to support pay-per-view, NFL Super Bowl, and also NFL Sunday tickets, Major League Baseball and basketball, and anything about AT&T products. I know by heart what is exactly AT&T products because I worked for them for the past 6 years. So hopefully you can hire me as a home-based job because I cannot report to office anymore because I get COVID plus pneumonia. But I'm already okay now. I'm already negative, and I just need to work from home because I have a quite fast connection here, and I'm trying to avoid physical contact. I'm just alone in here in the condominium unit. I'm trying to avoid physical contact as much as possible. Thank you and God bless. And this is already my second life, so hopefully I can be productive and help your company. God bless.
Ay, gamba, smile, smile sa ba? Bambam ba? Bilog-bilog, mata niya ba? Bambam, gusto mo? Papaya? Ano ginakaon niya na? Gakaon na sa mga patatas? Wala. Gerber. Mmm. Ano paborito niya? Bambam, ano paborito mo, Bambam? Na, gakamang na sa wala pa? Wala pa sa galakat? Hindi pa sa kalakat? Hindi pa sa kakamang? Tambok siya, no? Tambok bambam ba? Wala pa gaybe. Wala sa may gaybe, no? Kung gabi, wala sa gaybe. Kung magutom sa wala, paano sa gampal? Gaybe sa wala. Gaybe sa kung...
Guys, yung samyupsal sa bahay natin, meron tayong lemon, papaya, and then lettuce, and then we have lumpia, and then lumpia sauce, and we have fish bagoong. We have toyo mansi with ginger. We have ampalaya, egg, and then yan. Tsaka ito yung rice natin, paluto natin with quail eggs. Tsaka yun yung samyupsal natin. Yun yung meat. Nilagyan natin siya ng breadings. Yung breadings natin is ito. Yung chicken breading mix. Tsaka nilagyan ko rin siya ng konting hickory sauce. Dato puti, bitchin, at saka luya na may iodized salt at saka silver swan. Okay. So lutuin lang natin yan hanggang sa lutuin lang natin siya. Okay. Doing an ongoing finance and yoga talk here with Sunlife via webinar and Zoom meeting. So you take a look at the video. So yeah.
Here's what's going to become of the better than nothing routine. Every 3 or 4 days during the program, you can
So
start
yeah,
to
I'm taking
expand
notes and I'm doing
a little bit.
research at the same time.
You're better than
So what
nothing.
I'm trying to do is that I do a lot of multitasking all the time. Okay, so
3 or 4 days,
yeah, good luck and
really easy and you're really
yeah, Sunlife. Araw mo to. They're talking about finance on how to calm, start your day, and also making sure that you are in good shape. You're in good shape, you're good in finance, you're good in everything. So it's all about balance and everything that you do in life. You should maintain a balance. Thank you and see you on my blog, jasonbiado.net. Stretching. Stretch my legs. Sa auto eh. So, 10 ml ito, 4 liters of water. So, yan, 4 liters of water yan. Okay, so, ikot lang natin. Tapos, ready na tayo mag-sanitize. Okay. Ayan. Papatay yung COVID dyan, di ba? So, ito, lalagay na natin dito to. Ito. Dapat dito lang to sa labas eh. Lagay lang siya natin dyan. So, ito yung mga kasi hindi dapat nire-rep to, dapat sa dry dry place na yun. So, dyan na lang siya. Dyan na lang siya. Lagay natin. Dyan. Okay, so ito kailangan natin i-ref to yung mga to. Okay, so